Here we are looking out over Tewkesbury, the Mythe Bridge there as well, historic Mythe Bridge with evidence of all the flooding around the area. Flatlands all totally flooded there as well, both sides. And the river here, the River Severn there, looking out past the water treatment works there, over towards Tewkesbury Abbey there. And over towards Tewkesbury Marina. And the old heating flour mill there. Now disused. Bit of a blowy day here. Sun's been trying to come out, but certainly hasn't come out here over Tewkesbury. Looking out towards Mitten there. Well, here we are, not far from the Severn Way, which is quite well flooded out. So the flatlands here, you might think it's all river, but it's not. There's the Severn River here in the foreground, but in the background it's all part flatlands, Severn Ham, etc. But totally flooded. Not as bad as it was a couple of weeks ago. Look forward to what's been going on here. But what I'd like to mention here is the fact that, owing to the great history, the once proud history of Britain's railways, this is one of the areas which actually lost their railway. They lost the railway, same as Evesham and other local areas such as the rail line to Malvern, etc. With the coming of the motor car in the 1960s. Well, now before Beeching, a lot of people blame Beeching, but actually before Beeching, the local railway line around here was closed. Now, we quite want to find this. After hearing from some locals, the remains thereof, a remnant of the old railway line. Well, as you can see, well overgrown here, but there would have once been a railway line going along here, just where I'm standing. If I look behind me here, you'll see something much larger, and it's the remains of the old tunnel here. Goes under the main road. Unfortunately, local thugs have come around here, probably at night with a few beers, etc. And their cigarettes, etc. and decided that other than that they were going to cause damage. Sad, but still. So take no notice of the rude language there. The remains thereof, which of course could be opened again if the railway line was resurrected, which would be very nice, but well, not too bad for violence right here, but sorry about the wording there, etc. Take no notice of it. It's local thugs, plenty they can do. All the texting and social clubs and everything else they've got access to these days, and of course the pubs. But there we are. Some people might say they can't afford it, but there we are. There are other things they can do which don't cost money. But there we are, the remains of the old railway line here. What a long time to find it. This is all gone. All there preserved. The old railway line used to go along here. Hard to imagine now.